Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on my channel Grammy DIY. Today I'm going to show you my method of cleaning the car without the use of the two bucket method. It's super efficient, quick and easy, and it saves time, water, and also very safe on the car. So you won't worry much on scratching the car or leaving some swirl marks or so. So what I do, I start off by laying down a layer of snow foam on the car directly before rinsing it of water or anything. And then I leave the foam on the car for at least 5 minutes. Next, I'd wash the car with the pressure washer to get rid of all the snow foam layer. I sprayed on all the dirts and tried to remove as much of the dirts and grimes stuck on the car paint as much as possible. Until this point, I haven't touched the car with any um, washing mitts or sponges or anything. Just leaving the snow foam to do its job. Okay, now after rinsing the car, I'll give it another snow foam layer. And yeah, this time I messed up the dilution ratio. I added more water than snow foam, which made the snow foam a little bit runny, but yeah, it will do the job. Okay, now I grab my microfiber mitt and I start the contact wash, and very important to do that from top to bottom. So you start on the top and go around the car, take your time, and so because the top side of the car is less dirty than the bottom side of the car, so you don't pick up dirt from the downside of the car and then use it on the top side of the car. Yeah, by breaking the car into sections, it started to go a little bit down and continue my way around. Well, after finishing off all the sections of the car from top to bottom, I recommend to do that on 3 stages as I did in the video. Now it's time to rinse the car again, starting from top to bottom, and make sure to clean each and every section on each and every panel. Well, guys, here you have it. Fresh, clean car. All of that took me about 20 minutes. Safely done. Car is clean. Um, very less effort. Thanks for watching.